Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today we're gonna edit a Christmas card. But first, let me mention the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So I'm going to point out the artwork for you. Here is all the artwork that you cannot change on the template itself. You cannot change the color of the items here. So let's start customizing the template card. You can change the color of the background, the color of the text, the size, and the font type. And that goes for all the text that you see here. I'm pointing out. This section right here is grouped, so that means you can move all the items together. If you want to ungroup it, you go to the top and click ungroup, and that is going to let you select each item on its own. In order to edit the text, just click 2 times and then you can enter your own text there. Let's upload our own logo here. So this is a placeholder, so you want to remove that. And this is my logo here. If for any reason you have a logo that has a background color like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, go to the Frame section and click the circle and click on your logo, click and drag, and now it's going to blend perfectly well with the background. You have the Spanish template below along with your social media icons. The social media icons that you see here come with your purchase. If you guys have any questions on any of my templates, I have chat available on my website. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.